Well, hello there, good afternoon. Making our Sunday visit to Spaulding area. We're over here by the Metra and Canadian Pacific Railroad crossing, the great crossing across Spaulding Road. I picked this area. I noticed a green light for westbound traffic on the Canadian Pacific line. Could be an outbound Metra train, but the bells are ringing. Let's see what it is. Check this out. The gate doesn't want to stay in the up position. I don't know that I've ever seen anything like that before, at least in person. Well, regardless, that was our outbound Metra train. I was hoping for a freight. Wouldn't mind seeing a heritage unit or something interesting today. If we're going to bear the cold, it would be nice to see something other than regular trains, right? I guess this makes it a little bit interesting. I might go see if I can locate somebody over there at Metra to report that. And I think it just stopped. Finally calmed down. All right, that was our return Metra train heading back towards Chicago from Elgin, blasting through the diamond there. So with those two trains out of the way, I'm looking forward to a freight train here on the Canadian National, the Leithton subdivision, here before too long. We'll bring it to you. And here comes that northbound Canadian National freight we've been waiting for. was our northbound CN freight train going through the Spaulding Diamond. We are going to call it a day out here in Spaulding. Thanks for watching.